Welcome back, guys. In this session I would like to explain the present situation regarding the SBI notifications. Okay, recently on 27th July, okay, 27 July, SBI has released a very new notification called circle based officer. Okay, from the past 4 to 5 years trend, if you have been seeing SBI notifications, there will be only 3 notifications, which is SBI PO, SBI clerk, which is called as junior associate, and SBI SO. Okay, besides these 3, some notifications will be coming basing on this, but changing the trend, SBI has released one new notification which is called as CBO. Okay, first let me explain the notification and let me clear some ideas regarding the SBI PO 2020. Okay, without any delay, let's get into the topic. What is SBI CBO? SBI CBO is nothing but SBI circle based officer, released on 27th July. Who can apply? Whoever completed degree can apply, but there is experience required. Who are eligible for this experience means who are working in public sector banks, regional rural banks, and also private sector banks, and they should complete 2 years. Okay, 2 years of experience in any of these banks. 1/8/2020 means on August 1st 2020 they should be completing 2 years. Okay, they are only eligible. First qualification is degree and the second qualification is they should complete 2 years on August 1st 2020. Okay, they only can apply. What is the total number of vacancies? 3,850. Circles are notified. What are those circles? I will let you know. Only a few circles were notified. For this, see, Ahmedabad circle, Bangalore circle, Bhopal circle, Chennai, Hyderabad, Jaipur, and Maharashtra. Okay, only these circles will recruit. What about other circles? That is not mentioned in the notification. Okay, see, one more thing regarding this notification is see, go to the selection procedure of this notification. See, main thing what he has disclosed. See, the selection will be based on shortlisting and interview. Okay, only interview based qualification means the main thing is how you perform in the interviews. However, bank reserves right to conduct a written examination depending upon the entries of the total number of applications. Okay, how many people applied, basing on that only they will be conducting exam or directly interviews. See, if they conduct interview, the interview marks is considered. Whatever if they what if they conducted written exam, in that paragraph only merit list for selection will be prepared in the descending order based on the scores obtained in the interview only. Means the written exam will not be considered if they keep the written exam also. Okay, take a note of this point. Okay, one, and remaining thing you can see the notification. I will be giving the link of the notification below. Check those notifications. Okay, if you are willing to, if you have the requirements to apply, you can apply. Okay, now most of the candidates who are preparing are freshers. See, who has government job, why will they leave the government sector bank and go to another bank? Okay, maybe they have some requirements, they may go. Okay, now what about the situation of freshers? Now they will be thinking, sir, what is the SBI PO status? Okay, don't worry about SBI PO. Now we have SBI clerk notification is out, and in the month of March we have already written the examination also. Okay, so preliminary results are to be awaited. Okay, don't worry about the SBI PO. Suppose if this year SBI PO is did not come also, don't worry, maybe next year with the increase in number of vacancies he may recruit. Every year the trend is of SBI will be recruiting every year 2000 around 2200 2500 POs. This is 3850 vacancy. Maybe this might be PO, and there is a chance this might not be also PO notification. Okay, now in the present pandemic, SBI is in need of the man work. So in order to meet their requirement, SBI is planning in this way. Okay, let us take the positive of this negative also. Suppose if SBI is taking this one who are experienced, yes or no, then we will be getting a vacancy in IBPS PO, yes or no. Who has experience will go to SBI now, whereas the IBPS and the government sector banks, RRBs or public sector banks, they will be having vacancies, right? Now they will be shifting from one public sector bank to SBI, yes or no, whereas public sector bank will be having vacancies. Now we can fill their vacancy also. Maybe we may get IBPS increased number of vacancies in PO. Don't worry about that. Okay, so one more thing, in this notification check the pay grade. Okay, if you check the pay grade, it is exactly matching with the pay grade of the PO. Okay, it is exactly matching with the pay grade of the PO. So what can we decide now? So this is, everybody will be telling the assumptions only. Nobody knows the fact except the SBI authorities. Okay, so just be careful with the notification and don't believe in the rumors. Okay, that's what I would like to say. Thank you.